Today I'm going to show you some combos that you can do using the grounded flips that we've already learned. Let's check it out.
Yeah.
I'm Anthony Medina and welcome to Upraiz. The channel is all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we'll be getting into the 5th set of combos for level 1.7, and before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your 4th set of combos for this level. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. First combo that we're getting into today is going to be a pop front scoot to a pop front scoot. So you're going to do your pop front scoot and follow through to a front side stance, and from there you're set up to do your second pop front scoot. The second combo is going to be a pop front swipe to a pop front swipe. So you're going to do your pop front swipe and follow through to a front side stance, and from there you're set up to do your second pop front swipe. The third combo is going to be a pop back scoot to a pop back scoot. So you're going to do your pop back scoot and land in a backside stance, and from there you're set up to do your second pop back scoot. And the last combo is going to be a pop back swipe to a pop back swipe. So you're going to do your first pop back swipe and land in a backside stance, and then from there you're set up to do your second pop back swipe. Now remember that you don't have to do these combinations fast, they are just for progression, so work on them slowly, and then as they get a little bit more comfortable, you can add speed and power. Let's check those out one more time.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I want to thank all my patrons at Patreon for supporting this channel. And if you would like to support this channel, please visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. Next, we'll be going over the 6th set of combos for level 1.7, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing, Upraiz.